Welcome. If you're looking to unblock multiple users from your Facebook page using your PC, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the latest steps so you can manage your blocked list with ease, even after the recent Facebook update. Let's get started. First, open your preferred browser and head over to facebook.com. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile photo. This will open a drop-down menu. From here, select the page you want to manage. Click on your page's profile photo to enter the page itself. Once you're on your page, look for the Settings and Privacy option. Click on it, and then select Settings from the expanded menu. Now, on the left-hand side, you'll see a list of options. Scroll down and click on Blocking. Here, you'll find a section dedicated to managing users you've blocked from your page. Click on Edit next to the blocking option. A new window will pop up. Click on See Your Blocked List. This will display everyone you've blocked from your page. If you have a long list, you can use the search bar to quickly find the user you want to unblock. Once you've found the person you want to unblock, click on Unblock next to their name. Facebook will ask you to confirm your choice. Click Confirm to finish unblocking that user. To unblock more users, simply repeat these steps. Search for the next user, click Unblock, and confirm. You can do this for as many users as you need. And that's it. You've now learned how to unblock multiple users from your Facebook page on your PC, all with the latest update. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.